Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. We needed a microphone for our computer, so we purchased this little handy microphone by JOUNIVO, and we have really been liking it.
We were using Zoom a lot throughout the past several years, so it was nice knowing that our voices sounded crisp and very clear when we spoke. It's very easy to use. With just one click, you can mute and unmute, and the LED indicator shows green when unmuted and red when muted, so we never had to worry about being unmuted and not being aware of it, which was another reason why we purchased it. The noise reduction feature is really nice since we have dogs. A lot of the times they're snoring in the background, but you were able to hear them. It's nice that the neck is adjustable so you can swivel it around and adjust it to what you need. The cord is nice and long and easily plugs into the computer with USB, so we can easily move it to our laptop when needed.
We've definitely been happy with our purchase, but that's just my point of view.